Hey everybody, I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be shortly explaining how you can upgrade your gear, such as weapons, and how you can specifically upgrade the Ebony Blade in Skyrim. So let's get right into it. First of all, excuse me for using screenshots. I'm doing this to save space and to upload the videos faster, so just bear with me. And as you can see, it is not the Ebony Blade on the screen, but this will work just fine for the tutorial. Anyway, to actually upgrade your gear, you need to go to a blacksmith's shop or whatever, or you rather need to go to a grinding stone or a grindstone or however you want to call it. This can be located, as I said, in blacksmith shops. However, you can locate them across Skyrim, such as in military barracks and things like that. And once you actually open it up, you will see this menu where it will show you all your weapons. The process is pretty much the same for armor. You just need to use a workbench, which you can also find in similar places. And to actually upgrade it, you need to click on it, and then you click the button that you use to craft with. I think on PC it is either R or T. On the PS, as you can see, it is the square button. And once you select it and you press that button, it will ask you to confirm, and then it will upgrade your gear to a certain level. The level you upgrade it to depends on your smithing skill, so upgrade the smithing skill. If you want to upgrade it up to legendary, the beginning level, as you can see here, is fine. And you need different gear or different materials to upgrade different weapons. For the ebony blade, you do need an ebony ingot. You do this by smelting ebony ore, which you can find in several mines or buy them from actual blacksmithing merchants. And as I said, you just click on the ebony blade, click the craft button, and it will be upgraded to your to the level that you can upgrade it maximally. So yeah, that's been it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.